Hello and welcome to Newsreel number 25. This week we'll be giving you some top tips on profiling beds, but before I hand you over, we are glad to announce we are raising funds in support of the Macmillan charity through hosting a coffee morning at Ferncare HQ.
Today I just wanted to go through profiling beds and the positions that you can have them in that might be most comfortable for your residents. The best bed position is one that takes into account the natural characteristics of the skeleton. One such position is the zero gravity position. The head and foot are raised slightly higher than the hips. This position can relieve pressure on joints and reduce the chance of pressure on the sciatic nerve, relieving sciatica pain. Positioning the feet and legs higher can help residents suffering with heart conditions or blood pressure problems. If this position puts pressure on the chest or the resident has trouble breathing, try also raising the chest and head until the resident is comfortable. Elevating the head of the bed by about 45 degrees can help with breathing problems or chest congestion.
Now that Toby has covered off the technical side of profiling beds and given you some great tips, I'm going to tell you more about the design of this bed. Our profiling beds are exclusively designed to complement the bedroom furniture ranges, meaning this bed doesn't look out of place in the room, it blends right in. Take our Heartland profiling bed in grey oak, for instance. It truly complements the Fenton overbed table or the Stellan bedroom furniture range, so wardrobes, chests and bedsides, creating that home from home environment. Thank you for watching. Do head over to our website using the link below. Here you'll be able to request your quote for profiling beds today.